What how 1856 asked how to retrieve a wire brush that he lost down in the barrel because it unthreaded from his rod. So we have a section of barrel here, and we use the vise to form the bottom of the breech for now. And we'll push this down in there. Like this. That's down in the barrel. This is, I use these aluminum tubing for drop tubes and for the ramrod on my short barrel Hawknet. So it's a 3/8 ID tubing. There's the brush. Now we'll push it out of here. But it's no longer in the barrel. Thanks for stopping by.